What, where, who, when. Today we are going to learn interrogative words in Urdu. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to this channel. My name is Sara and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. I teach Urdu privately as well on these websites. So today we are going to learn how to ask questions in Urdu. Who are you? When are you coming back? What are you doing? How are you? Etc. So let's get started. So we are going to take our base sentence, which is aap hain. Aap is you and hai is are. Aap hai is you are. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put interrogative words between the subject and the verb. Subject is aap, hai is the verb. So the first interrogative word is kaise. Kaise is for men. Aap kaise hain? You are talking to a man here. Aap kaise hain? Kaise means how. So you how are. It goes between the subject and the verb or before the verb. So aap kaise hain? How are you? Aap kaise hain? For a female, it will be aap kaisi hain. Aap kaisi hain? Kaisi is for female. That means men or woman is asking this question to a female. Aap kaisi hain? How are you? Aap kaisi hain? If you want to make it informal, you can say tum kaisi ho. Tum kaisi ho. Because tum is you, casual you, and it ends with ho. So tum kaisi ho. And if you're asking a man, you'll say tum kaise ho? Tum kaise ho? How are you? Okay, our second interrogative word is kahan. Kahan, that means where. Aap kahan hain? Aap kahan hain? Where are you? Again, it's going between the subject and the verb. Aap kahan hain? Where are you? Aap kahan hain? If you want to make it informal, you can say tum kahan ho? Tum kahan ho? Where are you? Tum kahan ho? And if you're asking where is she or he is ye and wo. Ye is for someone who is standing nearby and wo is for someone standing far away. So ye kahan hai? Where is she? Or where is he? Wo kahan hai? Our next interrogative word is kya. Kya, that is what. Now our base sentence is aap hain. We can add doing. What are you doing here? So remember the verb karna, which is to do. The progressive conjugation is kar rahe. Kar rahe. To learn the continuous tense, you can watch this video. So aap kar rahe hai means you are doing. Aap kar rahe hain. We can add the word kya before the verb. So aap kya kar rahe hain? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? If you take another verb, which is, let's say, banana. Banana is to make. Banana. So बना रहे means making. आप क्या बना रहे हैं? What are you making? आप क्या बना रहे हैं? आप क्या बना रहे हैं? What are you making? If you're talking to a female, you'll say bana rahi because the suffixes change according to the person you're speaking to. So aap kya kar rahi hain? What are you doing? This is when you're addressing a female. Aap kya kar rahi hain? What are you doing? Aap kya bana rahi hain? What are you making? Aap kya paka rahi hain? What are you cooking? Pakana is to cook. So paka rahi is cooking. Aap kya paka rahi hain? Rahe is the progressive conjugation. Aap ja rahe hain. Now the interrogative verb that we will add is kab. Kab is when. Kab. And we're going to put it before the verb. So aap kab ja rahe hain? आप कब जा रहे हैं? When are you going? आप कब जा रहे हैं? When are you going? And if you're talking to a female, you'll say आप कब जा रही हैं? आप कब जा रही हैं? When are you going? आप कब जा रही हैं? आप अमेरिका कब जा रही हैं? आप अमेरिका कब जा रही हैं? When are you going to America? आप पाकिस्तान कब जा रही हैं? आप इंडिया कब जा रही हैं? And if you're talking to a man, आप इंडिया कब जा रहे हैं? जा रहे, जा रहे, जा रहे हैं. Do you have any question? Make some sentences and put them in a comment section. You can say another sentence which is आप कब आ रहे हैं? When are you coming? आप कब आ रहे हैं? If you're talking to a female, you'll say आप कब आ रही हैं? आप कब आ रही हैं? आप कब आ रही हैं? Last interrogative word is कौन सा, कौन सी and कौन से. Remember the interrogative word which is ending with a vowel changes. So कैसा, कैसी, कैसे, कौन सा, कौन सी, कौन से. कौन सा, कौन सी, कौन से mean which one. कौन सा, कौन सी, कौन से. Let's do another progressive conjugation of पहनना, which is to wear. पहनना. So आप पहन रही हैं. You're wearing. So now let's say कौन से कपड़े. कपड़े is clothes. कौन से means which. So which clothes. कपड़े is plural. So we are ending the interrogative word with a sound. कौन से कपड़े. Now let's put this between, before the verb. आप कौन से कपड़े पहन रही हैं? आप कौन से कपड़े पहन रही हैं? Which clothes you're going to wear? आप कौन से कपड़े पहन रही हैं? And if you're talking to a man, you'll say आप कौन से कपड़े पहन रहे हैं? आप कौन से कपड़े पहन रहे हैं? आप कौन से कपड़े पहन रहे हैं? आप कौन से मॉल जा रहे हैं? मॉल is masculine noun, so it's कौन से. आप कौन से मॉल जा रहे हैं? Which mall are you going to? So जा रहे is indicating that we are talking to a man. If you're talking to a female, we'll say आप कौन से मॉल जा रही हैं? आप कौन से मॉल जा रही हैं? Let's take a feminine noun, गाड़ी, which is car. So कौन सी गाड़ी. आपकी कौन सी गाड़ी है? आपकी कौन सी गाड़ी है? Which car is yours? आपकी कौन सी गाड़ी है? To have a PDF and additional examples, you can subscribe to my Patreon. That is it. I hope you have learned a lot. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.